The delta matrix can be seen in the question, which is equal to ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d. We need to find out the value of b plus c. We can see the equation here. From here we can deduce that R2 implies R2 minus R1 and R3 implies R3 minus R2. And we can put this value in the matrix, which comes out to be x minus 1, x minus 2 with the matrix is equals to ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d. From here, by matrix multiplication, we can get out this formula. On simplifying this formula, we can see the equation comes out to be minus 3x squared plus 12x squared minus 15x plus 6. And on the RHS, we have ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d. On comparing these both sides, we can find that a is equals to minus 3, b is equals to 12, and c is equals to minus 15. From here, we can calculate that b plus c is equals to 12 minus 15, which is equals to minus 3.